guys, it's Georgia here, and this will be another study video. Now, I started making a mind map, and I was like, I can make a video of making mind maps because mind maps are cool. Now, I didn't make mind maps much at GCSE because I didn't have patience, I didn't know what I wanted on my mind map. But there's this brilliant resource if you take a chemistry look at it. Search Chem Revise. They did these sheets. This is all the sheets for atomic structure, but like I put 2 on the page, so it's like double this. And basically what I do is I print them out and I use them as revision for like my notes. Like this is notes, right? But I like write out notes as well, so I'll use this when I write my notes. So I can use them for flashcards, I'll use them for everything. Because they also have example questions, and I like to put questions on flashcards as well. So I'll put all the example questions on the flashcards and I won't put them in places in my notes. But flashcards will probably be the next thing I do for this. So what I wanted to do, like a thing for like the first things we're doing, so that I have my map with everything I need to refer to when we're doing the course, so I can keep flipping back and just like consolidate myself when I'm like learning. So I usually do it for each thing. I'm doing one on atomic structure. I've got flashcards here, but I prefer white flashcards. I've got some here, so I might start making flashcards later, but I've ordered a bunch of white flashcards. I've ordered like 600 for like £5, and I was like, yes please. So those are on order from Amazon. But yeah, so I've done like the first 2 pages. I'm making notes on mass spectrometers and like measuring relative atomic mass one molecule with one. So yeah, you can just watch me work, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I finished it. Also, I should probably say I got this style of doing my maps from Bennett. I saw a video on it and I was like, oh my god, that looks amazing. Because I wasn't motivated to make my maps because mine always looks really shit. And this is a style of my map I can actually make and like not feel so like, ugh, I don't want to do this about. So, highly would recommend making them look like this. She basically makes all her titles look really bold, and she puts keywords and the colour. And it's just so easy for me to, you know, concentrate on basically. Okay, so this is the mind map I've made for atomic structure. I'm not sure if it's going to be flipped or not, but this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. It's great, so I've summarised the equivalent of 8 pages on this booklet thing into 1 page, which is superb. So I'm gonna get a plastic wallet and I'm gonna put it into my day folder, because this will be the topic that I'm working on when I first get back, so I can use it as a reference, which will be great. I'm not actually going to do the second one right now because I've been working for over an hour and I haven't had lunch or breakfast today, which isn't a good thing, so I'm going to do that. Bye!